what is the new normal for now. I hope everybody's doing well, staying safe, and enjoying a little bit of their time at home. If you found this video, that means you have checked Schoology, which is great, and you have clicked on today's lesson called the Event-Driven Programming. So, a couple things. First thing is up here in the highlighted yellow that you'll see right here. This is something that I'm going to put on the assignment every single time. We have the activity time, and that's 1 day for this. This should only take 1 day, as it is relatively simple. And then I also put the studio name, which is exactly where you need to turn this in on Scratch when you are done. Looking at the requirements for this assignment, we've got 3 sprites, right? So there are just going to be 3 different sprites. Again, I'll show you what that looks like right after I go through this. But you'll have 3 different sprites. One of them is going to move when the different arrow keys are pressed. So that means all 4 arrow keys. When I hit the left arrow, things go to the left. When I hit the right arrow, things go to the right. So on and so forth. Another sprite is going to change its appearance or costume or say something when it is clicked. I'm going to change this actually right now so that it says or. And then the last thing is one is going to change appearance when a number is pressed. So when 1 is pressed, it's going to change costume. When 2 is pressed, it's going to change its costume again, and so on and so forth. The program is going to start the same way every time, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. And then lastly, on the project page, so after you click share, you are going to need to make sure that you include the instructions in the page, because otherwise I do not know what sprite is supposed to do what and how it's supposed to work, and that is not good when you are creating a project like this. Moving on to the actual project. Here is my project page. If I go ahead and click the green flag, if I press the up arrow, cat goes up. I press down, cat goes down. Right, cat goes to the right a couple times, and left, cat goes to the left. If I click on the dragon's going to say something. Obviously, this is without sound, so it's just with the say something for, X amount of seconds block. So that looks like this, right? Very simple. And then this person down here is my little dancing person. And if I hit the number 2 on my keyboard, she changes. Number 3 changes to something else. Number 4 changes to something else. And number 1 changes back to what she originally was. So what I mean about starting the same way every single time, no matter what, let's go ahead and click the 4 so that she's in her 4th position. And let's move the cat all the way over here. When I click the green flag, everybody goes back to the exact same way that they started. So again, if I move the cat, if I change her dance, if the dragon says something, great. But if I click the green flag, boom, everything goes back to the way it should be. Lastly, or before we go, we've got instructions over here, right? So it tells you exactly what is going to happen. The cat moves with the arrow keys, the dragon talks when it's clicked, and the person changes costumes with the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Click the green flag, everything goes back. Now, when you are done, when you are absolutely 100% finished with this, you need to make sure that you not only click the share button, which will be usually on your project, will be orange, and it'll be up here. And then you need to make sure you add it to the studio. Obviously, for me, I have a ton of studios that are in here from all of my classes in the past. This one is called Event Driven Intro, so you're just going to click this until it becomes a green check mark. And that will tell you that you have successfully submitted this. Again, every time we do this, I'm going to tell you exactly how long this should take and how you are supposed to turn in, under what studio name are you supposed to turn in, and that is right here. Awesome, thanks. I hope you guys have a good day.